Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best kids cooking playset is probably one of the most exciting and educational toys you can get for your little chefs, offering them a fantastic opportunity to explore the world of culinary arts in a safe and imaginative way, fostering creativity, fine motor skills, and a love for food preparation right from their own kitchen. Number 5. Step 2 Best Chef's Kids Kitchen Playset. Get ready for endless culinary adventures with this amazing kids' kitchen playset. Its stylish design and vibrant colors make it a perfect addition to any play area, encouraging social interaction. This interactive kitchen is packed with features to spark imagination. Little chefs will love the working oven and refrigerator doors, the pretend stove burner with realistic lights and sounds, and the fun pass-through window. When the cooking is done, keeping things tidy is a breeze. Multiple hooks, shelves, and a recycling bin provide convenient storage for all 25 included play accessories. Crafted from exceptionally durable, double-walled plastic, this playset is built to withstand years of imaginative play. Its colors are molded in, so they won't chip, fade, crack, or peel. More than just a toy, this kitchen fosters essential developmental skills. It encourages fine motor skills, role-playing, language development, and critical thinking in a fun, engaging way. This playset comes complete with everything your little one needs to get started. It includes the play kitchen, fun decals, and a 25-piece accessory set for immediate enjoyment. What we like? This kitchen playset offers a realistic cooking experience with interactive lights and sounds. Its durable construction ensures longevity, and ample storage keeps accessories tidy. If you're looking for a robust and engaging kitchen for your toddler that encourages imaginative play and lasts for years, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The set is very sturdy and well-made, with no sharp edges. The pots and pans are the perfect size for little hands, and the utensils are easy to grip. It comes with a variety of accessories, including a cutting board, knife, and spatula, allowing for imaginative play. Number 4. Cute Stone Pretend Play Kitchen Toy. This comprehensive set includes everything your child needs for a fun cooking experience. It features a pressure pot, induction cooktop, kettle, utensils, and more, along with play food and a shopping basket. Experience realistic play with a pretend pressure cooker that releases real steam and an electronic induction cooktop with lights and sounds. The simulation kettle even works with water. Watch as your child enjoys peeling and cutting colorful play fruits and vegetables. This feature offers endless fun and realistic pretend play. This playset is a wonderful educational tool for role-playing. It helps children develop essential life skills, improve fine motor skills, and encourages imaginative play away from screens. A realistic and durable shopping basket is included, perfect for storing the play food. This set is designed to provide hours of entertainment for your little ones. What we like? This playset brings a new level of realism with its pretend pressure cooker that releases real steam and an electronic induction cooktop. The ability to cut and peel play food adds another layer of engagement. If your child loves hands-on play and mimicking real cooking actions with exciting sensory elements, this set is perfect for them. What people say. The pots and pans are a good size for little hands and come with a variety of utensils. The set includes a cutting board and plastic knife, which is great for pretend play. The colors are bright and engaging, and the plastic is durable and safe for children. Number 3. D-FantiX Stainless Steel Play Kitchen Accessory Set. Introducing a complete play kitchen accessory set designed to spark your child's imagination. It includes everything they need for endless hours of pretend cooking fun. Crafted from real stainless steel and non-toxic plastic, this set is built for safe and lasting play. You can have peace of mind while they enjoy their cooking adventures. This set is more than just a toy, it's a tool for learning. It helps develop essential hand-eye coordination and imaginative play skills as they take on the role of a chef. Keep playtime tidy with the included storage container. All the accessories fit neatly inside, making cleanup and organization a breeze. Looking for a gift that encourages creativity and family time? This cooking toy set is ideal for birthdays, holidays, and any occasion for children aged 3 and up. From pots and pans to utensils, a chef hat, and even cutting food, this comprehensive set has it all. Let their culinary dreams come to life. What we like? This set stands out with its real stainless steel pots and pans, offering a more authentic feel for young chefs. It also includes fun accessories like an apron and chef hat, making role-playing even more immersive. If you want a kitchen accessories set that feels a bit more premium and encourages imaginative chef play, this is an excellent option. What people say. The pots and pans are a good size for little hands and the accessories are plentiful. The set includes a variety of utensils, pots, and pans, allowing for imaginative play. The durable plastic construction ensures it can withstand rough play. Number 2. Baketivity DIY Cake Pop Baking Kit for Kids. Get ready for a baking adventure. Our kit comes with all the pre-measured dry ingredients you need, made with kosher ingredients right here in the USA. You won't even need a special machine to make these yummy cake pops. Baking is a breeze with our simple, step-by-step instructions. We've even included color-coded ingredients and helpful illustrations to make it fun and easy for bakers of all ages. This kit is more than just fun, it's a learning experience. Kids can develop essential kitchen skills and build confidence as they create their own delicious masterpieces. Looking for a special gift? This baking kit is perfect for creating lasting memories and enjoying quality time together. It's a fantastic way to bond with kids or grandkids. Want some expert guidance? Scan the QR code to watch a video tutorial led by our head baker. With professional tips, your child will feel like a true baking star. What we like. This kit focuses on the delightful experience of baking cake pops, providing pre-measured ingredients and simple, illustrated instructions. It's designed to make baking accessible and fun for beginners. If you're looking for a guided, educational activity that results in a delicious treat and fosters confidence in the kitchen, this baking kit is ideal for a fun family project. What people say. The pots and pans are a good size for little hands and the accessories are easy for them to hold. It comes with a variety of utensils, pots, and pans, which is great for imaginative play. The colors are bright and appealing to children, and the set seems durable enough for regular use. Number 1. Montessori Kitchen Toys for Toddlers, Real Cooking Set. Introducing a fun and safe way for your toddler to explore the joy of cooking. This set is designed for little hands to safely mimic real cooking actions. This comprehensive set includes a variety of tools like wooden and stainless steel knives, cutting boards, peelers, and special cutters. It has everything your child needs to get creative in the kitchen. Crafted from high-quality wood, stainless steel, and BPA-free polypropylene, these tools are non-toxic and built to last. They are designed with safety and durability in mind for worry-free play. Featuring lightweight designs and comfortable grips, these tools are perfect for toddlers. The cute crocodile patterns on the wooden knife add an extra touch of fun and engagement. This set encourages your child's creativity and helps develop their hands-on abilities. It's a wonderful way for them to learn by imitating adults and enjoy quality time together. These safe kitchen tools provide a perfect opportunity for parents and children to bond. Let your little one help prepare meals and foster a love for cooking and healthy habits. What we like. This set offers a Montessori-inspired approach to play cooking, with safe, specially designed cutting tools for little hands. It emphasizes creativity and imitation of adult behavior. If you want to encourage your child's independence in the kitchen, develop their fine motor skills, and promote parent-child bonding through realistic play, this is a wonderful choice. What people say. The cooking playset is very sturdy and well-made, with smooth edges that are safe for children. It includes a variety of pots, pans, utensils, and even play food, offering a realistic cooking experience. The colors are bright and attractive, and the pieces are a good size for little hands to grasp and manipulate. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.